Hello guys, I'm Juliet, your property host. Andito ako ngayon sa The Residence sa Sipa, dito po sa Batangas. So dito po sa harap natin guys, andito po ang Sofia Standard. Ayan, single detached po ito. Ayan. So 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath po ito guys, with carport and 2 CCTV cameras. Ayan. So, complete turnover po ito. Meron na pong free fence and gate. Yan. Titignan po natin yung loob ng house. So, upon entering po, ito na po yung ating living area at saka dining area. Yan. Ito po yung ating kitchen area. Yan. Ito. Yan. Ito po yung ating powder room. Okay. So, dito po sa ating kitchen, ayan, kompleto na po ito guys. Meron na pong built-in cabinets. Then, dito po sa ating, ayan, stairs and going upstairs sa second floor. Ayan. So, 2 bedrooms lang po guys ang ating Sofia Expanded. So, ito po yung bedroom 1. Yan. Yan. Meron na pong, yan, yung ating built-in cabinet. Then, ito po ang common toilet and bath ng 2 bedrooms dito sa taas. Yan. So, pwede po tayong pumili ng tiles para sa ating toilet and bath. And same dito po sa rooms natin. Ayan. So, ito po yung ating second bedroom. Or we call it as the master's bedroom. Ayan na po yung built-in cabinet din. Okay. Ayan guys. So, ayan. Ito po yung ating balcony. Okay. Ayan. Cove and drop ceiling po tayo guys. So, upon turnover po ng ating unit, meron na po tayong fire extinguisher. Yan. Then, ang ating stairs and second floor po natin ay 60 by 60 wood design tiles. So, baba po tayo sa first floor. Ayan. So, mga tiles po dito guys, pwede po natin i-modify. Depende po sa gusto ninyong color ng tiles. Yan. So, 60 by 60 rin guys, semi-granite tiles. So, dito po sa ating total contract price, naka-include na po dito ang house plan modification, building permits, transfer of the title to buyer, water connection, and electric connection. So, we just reserved 50,000 pesos, guys, for this unit. So, 20% lang po ang ating down payment. And that is payable for 20 months. Then, yung 80% remaining is bank financing until 20 years. So, guys, for more information about this property, for site viewing, you may just call me or message me in my Smart Viper WhatsApp 091-999-63820. Thank you.